some crispy, crunchy pizza chips, and these were created by culinary students at the CTE Center in Frisco ISD. First things first, you're going to need a cutting board, you're going to need a table knife, you're going to need some measuring spoons, and then a microwave-safe plate, and then of course you're also going to need a microwave. Now remember, when using a microwave, make sure to have your trusted guardian with you to help you use it. Alright, let's get started. First off, you're going to need a medium zucchini, you're going to need some dried parsley flakes, low-fat mozzarella that's shredded, and then some pizza sauce. And then you're going to go ahead and just cut it in half, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and make it into slices about a 1/4 inch thick. It's going to be about that thick. It's going to look just like that. And you're going to use about 8 to 10 pieces. So what you need here is about 2 tablespoons. So you're going to take your tablespoon, and you're going to measure it just like that. Go ahead and take the cheese, and it needs 3 tablespoons. I'm going to show you just how to measure one real quick. Just like that. Now that the cheese is ready, we're going to go ahead and measure out our parsley, and you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon. So by doing that, we're going to take the sauce that we just measured, and you're going to go ahead and take it down. Now I like to use the 1/2 teaspoon. I measured out just like so, and then I'm going to plop it on there. Alright, now that I've gotten all of them laid out with some sauce, I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese. So just go ahead and take a pinch for each one. You can lay it on out there, just like so. And then don't forget, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now that I have all the cheese on there, I'm going to go ahead and set it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And they just came out of the microwave, and I just put the parsley on. Now you can go ahead and take a look. They look nice and fresh, and the cheese is nice and melted.